Hey guys, Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge. Where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat. It's got the chrome push bar on the front. It's got fog lights. It's got the big 20-inch wheels. Great tread on the Michelin tires. Look at that, they look almost new. There. It is an EcoBoost FX4 off-road package. It's loaded with extras. As you can see here, blind spot radar. It's got backup sensors. It's got a little backup camera. Actually, it looks like it might have two of them, one right here and one right there. It's got a spray-in bed liner. It's got a rear sliding window. It's got these little steps here for you to climb up into the back of the bed. All the tires have excellent tread, Michelin 20s. It's got the power running boards. It's got the little fobs where you can just be next to the truck and press the button and unlock it. Inside we got power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Looks like power folding mirrors. Power seats, leather seats. Panoramic sunroof. This is loaded with a ton of options. Well, let's go ahead and start it up. 141,000 miles. There's no warning lights. Has Microsoft Sync, which is all your Bluetooth, etc. Dual climate control. Heated seats, cooled seats. The heated seats are front and rear. We've got backup camera. There we go. Also got navigation. You've also got heated steering wheels. Let's see here. There we go, heated steering wheel. All kinds of options for your sunroof, etc. up there. It is a push button start, if I forgot to mention that. Four-wheel drive. Got all kinds of Bluetooth and media controls up here. Power pedals, rear light for the bed. In the back and throughout we got these WeatherTech floor mats. 3 shoulder strap leather seats in the back. Beautiful panoramic roof. Rear heated seats. Beautiful truck throughout. Again, WeatherTech floor mats. Does have the books. Dash is in great shape. Push bar right there. Looks like it's ready for a light bar if you wanted to mount one there, or I don't know if a winch would mount on that. If you'd like to get approved on this truck, all you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.